on, true believers? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today, I'm going to dive into the Void, and that's VoidAI. Folks, we've been talking about the BitTensor network for a little while. Subnet 106, VoidAI, is a game changer that's unlocking the full potential of TAO and every subnet alpha token. Picture this: seamless trust, minimized interoperability that lets any DeFi app integrate BitTensor assets with just one line of code. That's the mission at VoidAI, turning TAO and alphas into first-class composable assets across all supported chains. So, how does this happen? The focus is on four pillars to make this happen. First is liquidity efficiency, which is leveraging concentrated liquidity pools to maximize depth and slash slippage. Second, Subnet 106 competition, where we incentivize miners to battle for emissions by delivering verifiable, stable liquidity across every chain. Third, Chainlink CCIP integration as our backbone, ensuring decentralized security, universal compatibility, and atomic execution everywhere. And then fourth, a dramatically simplified user interface. We abstract away all BitTensor chain complexity so users handle these assets as effortlessly as any ERC-20 or SPL token. So let's talk progress right now, as it's been very explosive. And by the way, this is the layout right here. Nice, clean, easy to use. Back in March of 2025, they launched the first manual bridge for TAO to Solana, proving BitTensor and Solana connectivity exists. By July, they had automated it for TAO and alphas, ditching manual steps to true trust minimalization. September brought Subnet 106 liquidity incentives on Solana, rewarding liquidity pools for supporting wrapped TAO and wrapped alpha pools to build real depth. Just weeks ago, on the 16th, revenue kicked off, 7.5K in 5 days, or 1.5K daily, showing a massive ARR potential. With the 18th activated automated buyback, routing all revenue into TAO and to the Subnet 106 reserves, redeployed into pools across the chains. And on the 24th, they confirmed the multi-chain roadmap, Solana to Ethereum, Base, and every CCIP supported chain. At the core, VoidAI's architecture is rock solid. It's built with custom native bridges, BitTensor to Solana and BitTensor to Ethereum for lock and mint flows, creating wrapped tokens like wrapped TAO and wrapped alpha as SPLs on Solana and ERC-20 on Ethereum. This gives full control over security, design, and upgrades. Layer on Chainlink CCIP atop the Ethereum bridge, and Ethereum becomes the hub. From there, assets will flow to Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, BNB, and beyond. Every L2 on Ethereum is affected by this. It's a hub and spoke model, scaling from bilateral bridges to a full multi-chain routing network. Mint and burn logic is coordinated by the bridges, validated by CCIP for moves past Ethereum. Subnet 106 validators ensure liquidity pool deposits are genuine and active. Miners earn only for provable real liquidity, tying emissions to market depth. AI protocol revenue, bridge fees, trading, validators flow 100% into TAO and the Subnet 106 reserves, then deploy continuously into wrapped TAO and wrapped SN106 pools, deepening liquidity ecosystem-wide. Governance: per subnet contracts decide new alphas and chains, with the Q1 2026 dashboard enabling transparent wrapped Subnet 106 voting and proposal tracking. This fuels the liquidity and the incentive engine. Revenue compounds straight into reserves. No burns, no distributions. Reserves deploy actively in the pool, creating a positive loop. Usage is going to drive revenue, which builds reserves, which boosts liquidity, which enables bigger trades and sparks adoption. Depth distributes dynamically across Solana, Ethereum, and the CCIP chains. Folks, it's so simple here. The more liquidity you have, the more whales are coming in. The more whales you have, the higher your price goes. And BitTensor at this point, multi-billion-dollar market cap. Looking ahead, the roadmap is very, very clear. November of 2025 is going to expand bridges and incentives to Ethereum. December hits Base and more CCIP networks. Q1 of 2026 launches the governance dashboard. And what sets this all apart strategically? Revenue powers liquidity directly. The Ethereum hub via CCIP scales to dozens of chains effortlessly. Wrapped TAO and alphas plug straight into the DEXs, lending, and DeFi primitives. It's community driven. Governance mirrors collective demand, and everything is transparent. Buybacks, reserves, deployment, all on chain, all auditable. Security is first here. BitTensor, Solana Bridge, and the Subnet 106 contracts were audited by Valhalla, confirmed secure, no major vulnerabilities, endorsed by Allah, BitTensor, and Crucible Labs co-founder. Are you ready at this point to join the Void? If you are, then I'm going to give you the links in the description down below. Follow at VoidAI. Dive into the docs. I'm going to put something down here, docs@void.ai. Hop on their Telegram. The link is in the description down below, or go to their website, voidai.com. Together, they are bridging worlds. Thank you so much for your time. This is not financial advice. I'm always right. You guys should really look into this one.